Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanka Soni. I am from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu. So today we are going to read the second part of the first chapter, the 3 questions. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. So he saw that the hermit was digging a ground in front of his hut. Digging means khadda khodna. Okay. He greeted the king and continued digging. He greeted the king means उसने king को नमस्ते किया and he continued his work. The hermit was old and weak and as he worked he breathed heavily. So hermit was old and he was weak also, means बूढ़ा था और कमज़ोर भी था और जैसे जैसे वो काम कर रहा था he was breathing fast. Okay. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. Means he said, I have come here to ask you to answer my 3 questions. मेरे 3 क्वेश्चन है. हाउ कैन आई लर्न टू डू द राइट थिंग एट द राइट टाइम. मतलब मैं कैसे मुझे पता चलेगा कि कब राइट टाइम है राइट चीज़ करने के लिए. हु आर द पीपल आई नीड द मोस्ट. मीन्स जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट लोग कौन है जिनकी मुझे ज़रूरत है. एंड वॉट अफेयर्स आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट. और ऐसे कौन सा काम है, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो मेरे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He was listening to the king but he did not speak because he was doing his work. He went on digging. He went on doing his work. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. He said that you are very tired. Now give me the spade. Spade means फावड़ा एंड आई विल वर्क इन योर प्लेस. मतलब मैं तुम्हारी जगह काम करूँगा. थैंक्स, सेट द हर्मिट गिविंग द किंग हिज स्पेड. देन ही sat down on the ground. He gave the king his spade and he sat down on the ground to take rest. Okay. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his question. अब when the king had dug 2 beds in the ground, he asked the मतलब 2 places he had dug, and then he repeated his question again. The hermit gave no answer, but still the hermit gave no answer, but stood up, stretching his hand for the spade. मतलब he stood up and stretched, मतलब उसने king से वो spade मांगा and said, now you take rest and let me work. He said, now you take rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dug. But the king did not give him the spade and he continued his work. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, अब 1 hour passed, 2nd hour passed. Now the sun also sat down behind the trees. मतलब सूर्यास्त हो चुका था. Now the king struck, उसने अपना फावड़ा ज़मीन में गाड़ा और उसने कहा, and he asked to the hermit, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. He said, I have come here to you for my answers. If you can give me no answer, tell me, so I will return home. He said, if you cannot answer my questions, no, please tell me, I will return home. I will go back home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Now the hermit heard someone running and coming towards the king, and then he said that there is someone coming. The king turned around and saw a bearded man. Bearded man मतलब दाढ़ी वाला आदमी था. Running towards him, मतलब वो किंग की तरफ भाग रहा था. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. His hand मतलब उसके हाथ पेट की तरफ दबे हुए थे जहाँ से खून बह रहा था. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell on the ground. Fainted मतलब बेहोश हो गया and he fell on the ground. The king saw the hermit removed the man's cloth and found a large wound in his stomach. Then he saw what hermit was doing, that he was removing the man's cloth and he found a large wound. Wound means एक घाव था उसके पेट पे जहाँ से खून निकल रहा था. The king washed and covered it with handkerchief. Handkerchief means hanky. But the blood would not stop flowing. Now the king washed, उसने उसका घाव को साफ किया and उसको एक handkerchief से press किया. But the blood was not stopping, it was flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. उसने बार बार उसको ड्रेस किया जब तक खून रुक नहीं गया. The men felt better and asked something to drink. Now the men felt better and he asked that मुझे कुछ पीने के लिए मिल सकता है. The king brought fresh water and gave him to him. He brought fresh water and gave him to drink. By the time the sun had set and the air was cool, उतनी टाइम में sun was already set and cool air was flowing. The king with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut and laid him on the bed. With the hermit's help, the king carried the wounded man and he took him inside the bed for rest. The man closed his eyes and laid quiet. He closed his eyes and he was resting because he was hurt, no? The king, tried by his walk and work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. Now the king was very tired by the journey he had made towards the hermit's house and the work also he had done. So he was very tired, so he lay down on the ground and he fell asleep. So see, king lay down on the floor and he fell off to sleep. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember where he was or who the strange bearded man lay on the bed was. See, as he closed his eyes, no, the king, and it was several minutes before he could remember that he woke up, and before he could remember anything, "Forgive me," said the bearded man in a weak voice when he saw the king was awake. Now the bearded man was asking for forgiveness from the king, that please forgive me. "I do not know you and have nothing to forgive you for," said the king. Now the king said that I don't know who are you. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता और मैं तुम्हें किस चीज़ के लिए माफ़ करूं. You do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore revenge on you. Now he said that you don't know me, but I know you. I am that enemy मतलब मैं तुम्हारा वो दुश्मन हूँ जो तुमसे बदला लेने आया था. Because you put my brother to death and seized my property. तुमने मेरे भाई को मार दिया एंड तुमने मेरा सारा प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स तुमने मेरा सारा जितना भी मेरा घर पैसा था वो सब ले लिया. आई न्यू यू हैड गॉन अलोन टू दैट हर्मिट एंड आई मेड अप माई माइंड टू किल यू ऑन योर वे होम. ही सेड दैट मुझे पता था कि तुम उस हर्मिट के वहाँ जा रहे हो, वो भी अकेले, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे आया तुम्हें मारने के लिए. But the day passed and you did not return. So he was working, so he did not return. So I left my hidden place and came up to your bodyguard who recognized me and wounded me. Now he said that you did not come, so I came in search of you. But I saw your bodyguard and वो मुझे पहचान गया. मैंने तुम्हारे bodyguard को देखा और वो मुझे पहचान गया और उसने मुझे injured कर दिया. I escaped from him, but I should have died इफ़ यू हैड नॉट ड्रेस्ड माई वुंड. उसने बोला अगर मैं उससे तो बच गया लेकिन मैं मर जाता अगर आप मेरे ये घाव साफ करते नहीं और इस पर पट्टी ना लगाते. आई विश टू किल यू एंड यू हैव सेव्ड माई लाइफ. ही सेड दैट आई विश दैट आई वुड हैव किल्ड यू एंड यू सेव्ड माई लाइफ. आपने मेरी जान बचाई और मैं तो आपको मारना चाहता था. नाउ इफ़ आई लिव आई विल सर्व यू. अब मैं जब तक जिंदा रहूँगा मैं तब तक आपकी सेवा करूँगा. As your most faithful servant and will order my son to do the same. Forgive me now. He said कि अब मैं जब तक जीऊँगा मैं तब तक आपकी सेवा करूँगा और मैं अपने बेटे को भी कहूँगा कि वो आपकी सेवा कर ले. प्लीज़ मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. Forgive me. Okay. The next part we will read in the next video.